For more health tips, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Let's start from the beginning. From birth, we enjoy amazing health and a lot of energy. For most of us, as we grow older, we stop paying attention to our diet, start drinking, start worrying too much, until life kicks us in the butt to remind us to take our health seriously. This kick can be a terminal illness, a near-death experience, or just something that reminds us about how fallible our lives really are. Some get religious about the whole affair and miss the important notes and lessons that should have been learned with respect to the wake-up call. What is hypertension? Imagine that the blood vessels in our bodies are like pipes that carry blood all around. When our heart beats, it pumps blood into these pipes. It's like water flowing through a hose with too much pressure, which can strain the hose and cause damage over time. It's like when a balloon gets too much air and becomes too tight. This can be a problem because it might make our heart work too hard and can cause other health issues. A condition in which the force of the blood against the artery walls is too high. It is a sign that the heart and blood vessels are being overworked. Stick to the end to learn about the fastest ways to safely lower blood pressure. Usually, hypertension is defined as blood pressure above 140/90 and is considered severe if the pressure is above 180 or 120. This number is not as important as other factors like your age, if you are sedentary, your cholesterol level, if you smoke, are overweight, or if you are basically living a healthy lifestyle. Your risk increases based on these other factors. High blood pressure usually develops over time. The problem is that when your pressure is too high for too long, it can stretch and damage your arteries, leading to heart attacks and stroke. People with very high blood pressure, usually 180/120 or higher, can experience symptoms including severe headaches. A hypertensive headache is usually a very severe, pounding headache that is located on both sides of the head. Chest pain. When your blood pressure is too high, it can put extra strain on your heart and arteries. It feels like a dull ache, pressure, or tightness in the center of the chest. It can also feel like a burning sensation or a squeezing pain. The pain may be worse when you exercise or when you are stressed. Nosebleed, also known as epistaxis. High blood pressure can damage the blood vessels in your nose, making them more fragile and prone to bleeding. This feels like a sudden trickle or gush of blood from your nose. Can feel like shortness of breath, chest tightness, or a feeling of suffocation. Nausea can feel like a queasy stomach or an urge to vomit. Breathlessness can feel like shortness of breath, chest tightness, or a feeling of suffocation. Tinnitus, also known as ringing in the ears, can be mild or severe. It can be constant or intermittent. It can be a high-pitched ringing sound or a low-pitched buzzing sound. Blurred vision or other vision changes. When your blood pressure is too high, it can damage the small blood vessels in your retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of your eye. This can lead to blurred vision, as well as other eye problems such as retinal detachment and macular degeneration. Excess sweating. When your blood pressure is too high, it can put extra strain on your body's systems, including your sweat glands. This can lead to excessive sweating, especially in the palms of your hands, the soles of your feet, and under your arms. Now that we have highlighted the symptoms of hypertension, how do you reduce it naturally so it doesn't lead to heart attack or stroke? Go for foods that are rich in potassium. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance in the body, which can contribute to the dilation of blood vessels and lower blood pressure. Just one medium-sized banana packs a powerful potassium punch, 422 milligrams to be exact. Beans, tomatoes, mushrooms, and avocado are other potassium-rich foods that may help lower blood pressure naturally. Pineapple juice is also a good source of potassium, an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Watermelon. It contains an amino acid called citrulline. The body converts citrulline to arginine, and this helps the body produce nitric oxide, a gas that relaxes blood vessels and encourages flexibility in arteries. These effects aid the flow of blood, which can lower high blood pressure. Onion also contains good amount of heart-healthy fibers, which is good to regulate blood pressure levels too. Also note that the following can safely lower blood pressure: practicing breathing exercises that slow your heart rate and promote relaxation, lying down and resting for 10 minutes, doing regular exercise, stopping smoking, taking your medication as directed. It is my desire that you take what you have learned in this video and build a healthier lifestyle, so that your body, which is your vehicle on this planet, stays young, healthy, and you enjoy all the amazing things life has to offer. See you next time.